Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys, today we have this inverter Honor 400S Mosfet welding machine. Problem, as you can see, here is OC. We already opened the machine and check what's the fault inside. Here we disconnect the supply and we wait until this shut off. So the first thing, as you know, we start with the bottom plate. If there is any D92 diode or anything damage, so I select our meter to continue diode position. So here you can see this is okay. It's mean bottom plate has no diode damage. And the next step is to check the top plate from Mosfet side. So let's start to check this out. Here is our meter, digital multimeter is diode position. So let's start with number 1. You can see it is showing us reading good one. So the second one, this is the short one, so it give us reading, but it means there is any Mosfet is damaged. So let's check also third one, because it is not always. This is okay also. So fourth one, this is also good position. So back into resistance mode. So check the resistance, these three, for these three. Because sometime it's damaged, it does not give us any reading. The second one, it is the 7 ohm value. So the third one will also give us the reading. So the first one is not giving any, it is okay also, it wasn't connected before. So we will remove these 3 Mosfets at a time to fix our fault. Let's remove this and check it out. The bottom thing is already open, so we'll fix it later. First we remove this. It is a little bit tough to remove. So in the second one, it is easy to remove. No, this one, that's how does it work. So for me, for you, up to you. So now we will remove these 3. Mobile is little bit hang out. The previous video you can see. Now I will do one by one, because sometime your luck works. So we'll check our first diode with the help of multimeter. So here we go. Before, as you know, short circuit, and now check with the help of the multimeter. The first one is the faulty one. I think the other one should be okay. Yeah, this is okay. This one is fine also. So before we replace that 23 and 15, because this is also 23 and 50. So we check the value for this driver card. This is okay, should be 732. It is the same. It means this resistance and diode doesn't damage. So what we need to do is we will just replace this Mosfet. This is 23 and 50. Yeah, maybe you can see 23 and 50 is little bit damaged because of that. You can see here 23 and 50. So we will replace that with another one. So the same thing I will do for put in place as the other videos I shown. Here it is actually work for me, but I don't know, does it work for you guys? It should be, because once two legs in, the other third one is easily go. It is little bit heated, so I fix and show you. So here I replace that Mosfet. So now again we will fix this. So the other one, plus you make sure this resistance, these three, which is called the gate resistance for that Mosfet, shouldn't damage, and also the driver card. We will put solder on other side also, so it will make it little stronger for that. So here these three lugs are soldered. I hope this should work for us. So put it back, supply first, always after repairing in series. So you can see the light and we see, does it work for us? Yeah, there is no AC. So we will remove that from series to direct. So here I put the machine in put one to direct supply. So I select the meter to the voltage and see. Now there you can see there is 69 volt output. It means our machine is fine. Hope you guys like my videos and learn something. So subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.